Hello everyone and welcome to Cosmox. Today, I'll take you on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating connections between the human body and the vast cosmos. Get ready for an adventure that will leave you in awe. Let's start with the first point. Both the human brain and the universe share a complex network structure. Galaxies are organized into large networks of filaments that stretch for billions of light years, forming structures that resemble cosmic superhighways. Similarly, the neurons in our brain form an intricate network of connections called synapses. It is estimated that the human brain contains about 100 billion neurons, creating an incredibly complex web of connections that allow us to think, feel, learn, and remember. Moving on to the second point, let's discuss the human circulatory system and the structure of galaxies. The arteries and veins that make up our circulatory system can be compared to the flows of matter and energy moving between galaxies in cosmic space. Think about the grandeur of plasma rivers coursing through the space between galaxies, carrying key elements for star formation and the survival of cosmic structures. Similarly, the arteries and veins in our bodies transport oxygen-rich blood, nutrients, and hormones, providing our tissues and vital organs with everything they need to function properly. The third point takes us deep within ourselves, human bones. Besides providing structure and support to our bodies, our bones hide a surprising connection to the universe. In fact, many of the chemical elements that make up our bones, such as iron and calcium, were formed inside massive stars that, during their explosions, scattered these essential elements throughout the universe. This means that every time we touch our bones, we are literally touching a part of cosmic history, a testament to the nuclear fusion that occurs within stars and the explosions that follow. Let's continue with the fourth point, which makes us reflect on the cycle of life. The universe itself is characterized by a cycle of birth, growth, and death. Stars are born from the condensation of massive clouds of gas and dust, go through a phase of maturity where they shine brightly, and eventually exhaust their nuclear fuel and die in spectacular explosions like supernovae. Similarly, we as human beings go through a life cycle that includes birth, growth, maturity, and eventually death. It is remarkable to think that our bodies are inherently connected to the cosmic cycle of stars, witnessing the profound interconnection that permeates the entire universe. Another fascinating similarity between the human body and the cosmos can be found in the human eye and cosmic nebulae, specifically in the Helix Nebula, because they share an incredibly similar appearance, and it is even nicknamed the God's Eye Nebula. The fifth point takes us to the discovery of human DNA. The structure of DNA, in the form of a double helix, bears striking similarities to the spiral forms observed in some galaxies. DNA is the fundamental molecule of life, containing the genetic instructions that determine our physical and biological characteristics. The similarity in the spiral structure between DNA and some galaxies makes us marvel at how mathematical and geometric principles repeat themselves at different scales in the universe, connecting the foundations of life with the cosmic depths. Moving on to the sixth point, it brings us to tides. Tides are the result of gravitational forces that occur between the Moon, Earth, and the Sun. These forces interact and generate a rhythmic cycle of high and low tides that influence the waters of the oceans. Similarly, within our bodies, there are biological rhythms known as circadian rhythms, which are influenced by the cycle of sunlight and regulate our physiological and behavioral processes such as sleep, hunger, and body temperature. This connection between the cosmic rhythms of tides and our internal rhythms reminds us of the profound interconnection between us and the universe that surrounds us. Ecosystem. Both the human body and the universe are intricate ecosystems where different entities interact and mutually influence each other. In our bodies, we host a vast community of microorganisms known as the microbiota, which play crucial roles in our health and well-being. Similarly, in the universe, there are complex stellar and galactic ecosystems where different forms of cosmic life interact and contribute to the dynamics of the system. This similarity highlights how both the human body and the cosmos are complex ecosystems where diversity and interconnectedness are fundamental. The ninth point is vibrations and frequencies. Both the human body and the universe are characterized by vibrations and frequencies. In the human body, cells, organs, and systems emit and receive electromagnetic signals and vibrations that contribute to our well-being and internal communication. Similarly, in the universe, we observe phenomena of vibration and frequency, such as electromagnetic waves that allow us to detect light and other radiations from stars and galaxies. This similarity reminds us that we are immersed in a sea of energy and vibrations, connecting us to the fabric of the universe itself. And now, we come to our seventh point, the beauty of forms. The universe is an incredibly aesthetic place, characterized by spectacular shapes and structures. Galaxies, planets, nebulae, and other cosmic structures exhibit extraordinary symmetry, proportion, and geometry. Similarly, the human body is characterized by an extraordinary beauty of forms. Think about the symmetry of the human face, with its proportionate and harmonious features. The similarity in the beauty of forms between the universe and the human body makes us reflect on how the same fundamental aesthetics permeate all things in the cosmos. And so, we come to the end of this exciting journey between the human body and the cosmos. Whenever we contemplate the wonders of the cosmos or explore the mysteries of our bodies, let us remember that we are part of something much larger and more fascinating than ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to discover more fascinating content like this.